Got to hear the words they say. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Got to do it my way. All I got is this broken heart. I ain't got no healing. Okay, so today I'm doing an unboxing of Carter wear. We just got a package. We just got a package. We just got a package. I wonder who it's from. Okay, so I ordered this probably on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I probably ordered this on Monday or Tuesday, and it got here already the same week. So that is amazing. I think because it says 2 day. Yeah, so let's say we got, yeah. I gotta check exactly. What's today? Because this says the 26th. So whatever day the 26th I ordered it on, and it's already here. So my total order was like $51 or something. Okay, so this side came, I already pre-opened it already. So I sprayed it down with my Lysol. If I can find it. Hold on real quick. So, and I had a Clorox wipe that I sprayed it with. So I just like did that. You know, I always do that with all my packages before I get it now with Corona. And it's not about the person not being safety. It's about like it going through going through transit, the post office and stuff like that. So it's many people in hands. So this is not how it's packed. So like I said, I already opened it before. Yes, I ordered it on the 25th. It shipped out the 26th. That's like amazing. Like, you know, sometimes it take a minute. I got icy mesh briefs. Frost I was about to say frosty. So I got blue and green. And it came in a package like this. Of course, I already took it out, like I told you. And then it says, thank you for purchasing our product. Your purchase means the world to us. We hope you enjoy this product as much as we enjoy creating. I think that's so cute. Little messages like, okay, so it's not going to be focused. Yeah, I don't got time to focus it. But little messages like that, just like, it's nice, you know? I love these, y'all. These are like being sexy without being sexy. Like, these are like, I love these. I love these. Like, I feel like you can walk around and be comfortable and not be like sweaty balls. Like, because this is like a good material. And I tried them on and they fit so comfortable. Like, they're very comfortable. Like I said, I didn't feel like I had underwear on. So that's a plus to me. Like, if you get something that don't feel like, I'm sorry, sound on the TV is crazy. But if you feel like you have underwear, I mean, you don't have them on, that's like a great feeling because I don't like really wearing underwear. So, and I got the blue. You know, I love blue, honestly. These are, oh. Let me hold it right here. So I got a size large because now, my whole life I've been an extra large. And, I always been a big boy. So just recently, I don't know what's going on. I'm a large now. I'm a part of the large club. So I'm excited about that, honestly, guys. So like I said, this would be a great buy to buy. It's a black business. We should support our black business. Like it was quick, like delivery was quick. Everything was quick. They shipped it out quick. Like, I would definitely be a customer again. They have jeans. They have swimwear. And they have like trunks, they have briefs, and they have jocks straps. So they have a little bit of everything for everybody. So definitely check it out. And that is www.carterwear.com. And that is www. Y'all know how to spell. Bro, I'm trying to show you something. It's not even on this side. Here it is. www. I'm gonna put it down because my brightness is so bright on my damn ring light you can't even see. But and I'm gonna also put their Instagram and stuff like that. Like I said, support this business. It's a black business. It's super dope. Oh, I thought I heard something. Yeah. Oh, that's my hand. That's my hand. So let me get off of here because now I'm bugging. I've been drinking wine, so I'm a little wino. But yeah, guys, support this business. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me on Instagram. Guys, have a blessed day. Stay blessed. Yeah. Have a blessed day, stay blessed, stay dope, stay cool, and stay fly. And guys, always remember, you're never fully dressed without a smile.